Alright, so what's good, y'all? I know it's been a little bit. I know I look a little bit crazy. Don't mind that. I just had to throw the hat on because my hair looked a little bit crazy because I was about to redo it, but I just got a little bit lazy when I'm procrastinating. I'm watching No Jumper, Bang Gang Lonnie, Bang Gang Mazzo interview. Had to get that right. And he said it was like Maserati or something. Completely unrelated, but anyway. So what this video is, just a little update. Like I said, it's checking in. So channel been dead for like, shit, 3 or 4 months. Actually, yeah, 4 months. I think the last time I uploaded was probably like December. It's been a minute. I know I've been slacking. I got videos I recorded and just didn't edit, didn't upload. Some I did edit, just didn't upload. Some I scrapped altogether. But I got some shit. I'm about to start uploading. I made a video. I started making a video about what it's like to do Uber Eats because some dude made a side hustles video. I'll go ahead and drop a little intro right here. Alright, so I didn't tell y'all what we're doing, but this is actually the second time I tried filming this video. Tried filming it maybe like a couple weeks ago and couldn't film it. What I'm doing, actually, let me start from the beginning. So I was on YouTube, saw this video from this nigga. I don't remember his name, but he was talking about what it's like to do a bunch of different side hustles, which ones are the best. I think he's actually ranking side hustles, but in the video, one of them that he did was Uber Eats. And I've never done it, but I always order it, like all the time. So I figured I could try it out, especially because I always talk about how long we taking some of these people to deliver and how I get them exact directions and they just don't do it. And they want to act like they can't find the fucking shit, but sorry for my language, but listen, figure I could do that shit. It's easy. I ain't never done no delivery jobs, but I could probably do it. So, and sorry about the wind. I know you could probably hear that because I hear it right now. So, but I figure I could probably deliver better than these niggas. So I decided to try it out. Tried it a couple weeks ago. Was no deliveries, like none at all. I was just out there just riding around for nothing. But I mean, I had my camera, so I could have made a video anyway, but I didn't. So I decided to try it again. I did it a couple days ago without the camera. And it was actually a pretty good amount of like orders and shit. So figured I'd go ahead and try it again and do it on camera. So that's what this is basically. It's gonna go ahead and ride around, take some of these orders, get them delivered, do what we do, and you know, kind of film it. Of course, we're gonna blur out the customer's information and you know, sensitive info like that, but all in all though, it should be a pretty good ride. Because you get to go to a place you haven't been before, and it's kind of like, normally I take rides like that anyway. Hello. Normally I take rides like that anyway, where I kind of go to new places, but this is a little bit different because it's not directed by you, it's more instructed by whoever orders really. So that's kind of the plan this time around, so stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and throw y'all back in the chest, and I'll be back with y'all in a little bit. So that was the intro that I made for that video, but I was originally gonna shoot it, and I shot some clips from it. Here's some of those clips now. And that's just kind of like a little quick little montage of me just going to the restaurants, taking it to places. Obviously, I ain't gonna show no sensitive customer info, no crazy shit like that. Like, let me drop your ID right quick, nigga, and nothing like that. But, you know, I was just gonna show you what it's like. Just because that side hustle video made me think about it, and I signed up for it, they accepted me right away when I did that shit. And it's like, you know, you could accept rides for whatever you want. I mean, you could accept or decline whatever rides you want. So since I'm on my bike, if it's more than 3.5 miles, fuck out of here. I ain't doing that shit. I ain't got time for that, and I ain't got energy for that. I ain't 19 no more. I'm about to be 28. I'm cool on that, alright? So it was like, you know, nice little quick rides where they get paid for riding a bike until the YouTube get monetized and shit, which I've been slacking on. Gotta make some videos and actually upload them so you can get monetized. That's how it kind of works. I know I've been slacking. We're gonna go hard now. But I decided to scrap that idea. It's about to get warm anyway. I might actually make that video later if I decide to go early in the morning or something like that, but we are about to get back to the actual rides, going and riding, filming shit, interacting with people, all that shit. I had a lot of cool shit before COVID started, and that kind of killed shit because people weren't trying to be around other people like that and shit. You know how that go, but anyway, the other shit I've been doing, working on a lot of music. Y'all heard some of the music with that little montage right there. I got a lot of shit coming for the music channel. I actually just did a Billie Jean flip. I know this channel ain't really about that, but here's a little preview of the Billie Jean joint.
I met this bitch, had it named Billie Jean. She looks so good, I'm tryna get Billie. When I knock it out of the park, she wants to see everything. Except she love it, she know my love is just for the scene. Camera roll, pounds, time to dance on the floor. Everybody looking, how I'm the one, now they know, they can tell for sure. I know, okay. People keep telling me, careful, boy, don't break no hearts out here. Mama tell me, be careful, who you love and what you do. Boy, these hoes will love you. You know these hoes wanna rely on you. Some of these girls ain't worth replying to. Get caught up in the cues of a crime or two. You better listen, boy, I'm not lying to you. So check it.
And that's just a music video. There's actually a full music, or actually a full video of me reading the lyrics of Billie Jean as a nerd, then transitioning into the trap nigga, transitioning like that. Now the transition, hey, no offense, but hey, but then I transition to a trap nigga and make the actual beat, then rap on it and all that shit. Film the music video in my crib right here at the green screen. I don't know if y'all can see that. Usually I got the green screen up, but got y'all outside, so y'all ain't seeing all the messiness, but it's whatever. I got, let's see what else I got coming. About to start uploading on my channel called the SwaveCast. Just gonna be uploading just random creative content there. My Swavey Reacts channel, oh, check that out. That's definitely linked on the channel, or you can just look, type in Swavey Reacts. Got a whole lot of shit coming there. That's gonna be daily uploads on that channel for sure. I might try to do maybe some daily vlogs for this one or something like that, something I can edit, throw together real quick, but still be thoughtful content. I don't want to just upload no type of random bullshit, otherwise I've been done that. But yeah, like I said, this video is really just a quick little update about really where I've been. I ain't really been nowhere. I've just been chilling at the crib doing music shit. And now the music shit, now I'm chilling on that a little bit. I didn't drop some shit on all DSP, Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Deezer, Pandora, Amazon, all that shit. Honestly, I don't even know most of them shits, but all that shit. If you look Swavey the Spaceman, it's there. Here's a little screenshot of what it looked like on Spotify, just so you see the spelling of it and everything. But like I said, that's on all platforms. Anywhere you can find Drake, Rihanna, your favorite artist, you can find Swavey the Spaceman. But I start dropping there all the time. If you know about Tory Lanez, he be doing Fire Girl Fridays. I'm gonna do Swavey Sundays or something like that, where I'm dropping every week on Sundays. But it's all self-produced, recorded on my crib, mixed, mastered myself, made the covers, distributed myself. You see the label on there, still Swavey Music. That's me. I ain't signing nobody. But yeah. Let's see. I hit on the fact I've been MIA. Channel been dead as fuck. Got that out of the way. Told you about the other channels where y'all can catch me daily. So I'm about to be uploading on here again soon. Actually, no, this video right here is gonna basically be the start to it. I don't know. Maybe I'll react to like some bike content on here just to get some more content on a bitch, get that popping. But yeah, aside from that, I really got nothing else to say other than stay tuned. We about to actually get riding and get filming like we was doing before. I kind of got my inspiration back to start making videos, and like I said, the music shit is kind of on hold right now since I'd been working and made hundreds of songs since the last time I'd made a video. So now it's time to get the videos in. But aside from that, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit. Aside from that, thank you for watching. I said aside from that so many goddamn times. How many sides could it be? I mean, it's only a couple sides. I mean, fuck it. Thank you for watching. That was another one. We out this bitch.